this is a truck. It's actually a static truck. We're just seeing the points on the single frame, and we only typically have a set of points being shown on each individual frame. And to exactly know the size of the truck, you'd need to flip through the couple of frames and see, hey, look, what is the right height, what is the right length, and whatnot, and gather, let's say, a bit more information. And maybe now, for example, you see, hey, look, we actually labeled it a bit too long. Right? And so to improve labeling of static objects, we have a novel feature, which is our merged point cloud mode. And what this does is when you enable it, it will actually load and merge all point clouds from your entire sequence. Obviously, this will introduce ghosting effects for moving objects, but this is very helpful for static objects like this truck, because now with a single glance, you can see in a single view the exact length of this truck. Right? I can improve the labeling a little bit over here, right? And now, by labeling it in a single frame, if I disable it again, I know for a fact on each individual frame, it will have the right size of cuboids of the static cuboid, right? As such. Yeah. So this is labeling and optimally labeling static objects.